Projects in manifold Vietnam, why they are so captivating. What's cutting edge about the fintech and SaaS products? Tune into the project stories, where you not only get a clearer view of the value our products bring to users, but also gain insights into how our Forwardians grow their careers in this dynamic environment. Are you ready for today's story? Let's make it together!
Hello everyone, I'm Snoopy. I'm backend engineer, Ruby on Rails at the Cloudbox team, and nice to meet you guys.
My name is Kenneth. I'm a senior Ruby on Rails engineer.
Hello everyone, I'm Jing. I'm from Cloudbox team, and currently I'm a senior engineer.
Cloudbox is a storage service designed to retain documents generated from business process, help the customer comply with the Electronic Books Reservation Act or EPPA. It also serves as a foundation platform to support EPPA compliance across all related products.
And it is linked to many manifold cloud products. And more than just storage, Cloudbox aims to smooth back office operation and create the value to boost the business of the company that it is.
Essentially, Cloudbox is a critical infrastructure. Without it, our customer cannot legally store their business document electronically, making it fundamental to our business offering.
While developing Cloudbox, our team overcome technical and cross-team integration challenges by prioritizing rapid issue resolution and close collaboration. It enables us to deliver reliable, scalable features on time and without impacting system performance.
So while developing the Cloudbox, we need to ensure that all upload documents comply with the Japan Electronic Book Preservation Act. And a key requirement was to apply the legal timestamping and maintain the immutable, auditable records. We designed Cloudbox as a microservice, allowing other modules to integrate via internal APIs, and implementing a timestamp module that communicate with certified third-party service for issue the legal timestamp. We also have secure hash-based file storage system to prevent any file tampering and OCR pipeline to extract metadata without blocking upload. And the challenge was successfully solved. Cloudbox now handles document upload with full legal compliance, including automatic timestamping, and it's used by thousands of businesses and became a best service in 2024.
The most technical challenge while building Cloudbox is our team face the complex challenge of interacting with multiple teams across manifold. Unlike typical customer-facing products, Cloudbox needs to serve both external customer and internal product teams, with different requirements, workflow, and technical constraints. I need to establish a unified integration approach that could accommodate diverse stakeholder needs while maintaining system consistency and avoiding development bottlenecks caused by complex requirements. So I need to build API standardization, develop a flexible API framework with versioning to support different team needs without breaking existing integrations. And we need to establish regular sync meetings and create shared documents to align on integration standards. Up to now, we already successfully integrated with 10 plus internal product teams and maintain customer-facing functionality.
To simplify the file import process and eliminate the manual uploads, our team introduced an email import feature, enable automatic import email attachment via auto forwarding rules. Its rapid adoption highlights the feature's strong impact on our user efficiency and its positive receptions.
Cloudbox has improved user daily document workflow by making them faster, more accurate, and comply with the Japanese Electronic Book Preservation Act. and without adding extra burden to user. And by 2025, we have more than 400,000 paying business customers and more than 1 million files stored in our service.
Previously, when users receive an invoice via email and an attachment, such as an invoice, contract, or PDF file, they have to download the attachment to their laptop and upload the file to Cloudbox. This process took a lot of time, especially for the user like accountants who receive many files and email every day. To resolve the pain point, the box team implemented a feature called mail aggregation. This function automates the workflow of downloading attachment from email and uploading them to Cloudbox. User can create an email address on Cloudbox platform, and each time someone sends an email with attachment to that email, the attachments will automatically be uploaded to Cloudbox. This will help users save a lot of time.
This project deepened my understanding of effective teamwork and cross-functional communication. By engaging directly with another team throughout development, I have learned to integrate more efficiently and deliver results on time through clear and proactive communication.
Working on Cloudbox means building a product that had to meet strict legal compliance requirements while remaining user-friendly and highly scalable. It wasn't just about engineering, it was about deeply understanding the legal, operational, and user needs. We have many workshops online and offline to understand the EPPA rule to make sure that we understand and can apply it to our code base. And I learned how to interpret legal requirements like Japanese Electric Book Preservation Act and translate them into concrete, testable, and technical features.
Working on Cloudbox was really interesting because our team is very diverse. We have people from Italy, England, Vietnam, Japan, and Taiwan, and maybe more in the future. At first, it was honestly quite challenging because everyone had different way of working and sometimes language barriers make things tricky. So I personally learned so much about different cultures and working style, and now I feel confident working with international team. The host experience taught us that diversity isn't just a nice to have, it's actually a huge competitive advantage when you have know how to work properly.
No border collaboration was essential to Cloudbox success, enable seamless communication across teams, departments, and locations. This agility helped us to overcome integration challenges, deliver features on time, and ensure stable performance.
The development team was truly global with members from Italy, Taiwan, England, Vietnam, Japan, and service dependency involving team in India as well. So our two core teams were based in Tokyo and Ho Chi Minh City, meaning we had to navigate time zone differences, national holidays, and communication style across multiple countries. We needed to deliver a stable, legally compliant service on schedule while ensuring smooth integration with other teams across countries. And ownership ensured it also built everyone had the autonomy to make decisions regardless of the location. And of course, as a global team, we use English, so English skills were also improved as well.
Teamwork is the core strength of Cloudbox team, enable us to tackle complex challenges and deliver high-quality solutions. During the feature development, our collaborative culture and seamless cross-team communication was a key to resolve integration issues efficiently and meeting the tight schedule.
Speed. Cloudbox were developed and released on the tight timeline despite having to meet strict compliance requirements. And we handle cross-border integration without long delays. It means that being empowered, clear and responsive, and that was a key reason that Cloudbox were delivered successfully.
Teamwork. The key word, nobody was trying to prove their way was right, and we were all excited to learn from each other and find better ways to work together. And we stopped having my way or your way conflicts, and instead we have how can we combine the best of all our approach discussion. And our team become an amazing learning environment where everyone feels safe to share ideas and try new methods. We deliver Cloudbox with higher quality because we keep learning and improving our processes.
Let's make it
Let's make it
Let's make it
together.